Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix a TradingView chart that's not moving. All right, let's begin. First, check the time interval at the top of your TradingView chart. If you're using a higher time frame, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, the chart won't update very often. Switch to a lower time frame, which is in minutes, hours, or even seconds if your market supports it to see more frequent price updates. Next, look at the price scale on the right side of the chart. If the prices aren't updating or the chart looks compressed, you may need to reset the chart view. You can also click the A button on the price scale to fit data to screen. This automatically adjusts the chart so all recent price data is visible. If the chart was zoomed in too far or shifted off screen, this usually fixes the issue immediately. You can also try clicking the L button to switch between linear and logarithmic scale. While this doesn't directly fix frozen data, it can correct charts that appear distorted or difficult to read. If the chart is still not moving, refresh the TradingView page or reopen the desktop app. So that's basically how you can fix a TradingView chart that's not moving. That's it for this video. Thanks.